Alright, hey guys, so let's say you're on please donate and you want to make a game pass to be able to make some Robux. So I'm going to show you how to do that in this video and I hope you enjoy. So first what you do is you go into a game that you created and you should have this. So it should look like this. So what you want to go to is Roblox, create.roblox.com, and then it should show you basically this, and then you'll want to go on creations, and then you'll see this. Then what you want to do is click on one that isn't getting very good, and then see this right here. So then you go down to monetization and you click on passes, and then you click on create a pass, and now it shows a pass. Now let's make let's just call this, I don't know, cool car. And then there we go. So then you click on create pass once you've done that. But then you'll want to click on it again because this thing is not complete. And then you want to go on a sales right here. You want to click on that. And then let's just make this like, oh, come on. There we go. So now we can do that. So then you go on home. And now, whenever you go on Roblox, it should look like this. Go like that. And then, whenever you go on please donate right here, of course, then what you'll want to do is claim one of the stands. And here's the thing that I was putting up for Game Pass. So then you can just keep repeating that over and over again until you make enough Robux to be happy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. I mean, it's your decision, but please subscribe, and I'm